Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today Tina with Tina's Reborns and More and I are doing something different. We are doing toddler twinning. However, ours are going to be a bit different. You know those little puzzles that you see like in magazines, especially for children, to teach children to notice the difference in things? We're calling this Find the Difference, just like the puzzles in the magazine. And I'm showing you Clara, and Tina is going to show you her toddler twin to Clara, Vera. And what we'd like for you to do in the comments, along with your regular comments, is tell us what differences you found between our two toddlers. Look at their clothes and everything they're doing. I didn't put any background in this so that you're focused on her. So if you need to, you can go back and forth between the channels, watch it again, and see if you can find the differences. There are several. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas to you each. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.